Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equation. So I will need to use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive number 6 next to y, that is for integrating factor. And this one we have 6s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y to the power of 6s. This one, we have e to the power of 6s over number 6. And I will put about c. So this one divided by number 6. That is the end. Thank you for watching.